this is the 270 degree bracket. It's a 270 degree bracket. It's quite similar to the 90 bracket. I'll just show you in profile. So you can see this is the 90 bracket, that's the 270 degree bracket. You can see here they've got a similar U-shape. However, this one has got a flat shape here and this one's got our angled flanges. Now the reason why it's called a 270 degree bracket, so we have our 90 degree bracket, which is 90 degrees there. If you take it right round, it goes to 270 degrees. That's why it's called a 270 degree bracket. What you get in the box, you've got 10 of them. They come with 50 H16 screws, so it's a 16mm hex head with a 3/8 driver like that. So you've got plenty of spare screws in there. Now how we use these is that you can use it on the end of a joist like here. Let's say for example you have a maybe this is a boundary joist and you don't have enough room to use a 90 bracket in there. You can actually screw this 270 degree bracket onto this joist, and now you will be able to screw the 270 degree bracket with your H16 screws in there. So it gives you a really nice flush finish on here. So if you've got trim board coming up and you want to screw that into there, you've got no screws protruding. The other reason why you would use this 270 degree bracket is if you were going to use a picture frame bracket or a breaker board bracket in this corner. So probably in the next video we'll talk about the breaker boards and picture frame brackets.